Living alone, living alone isn't easy. Sometimes you gotta depend on yourself to cook, and that's exactly what we're doing. Cooking with Flames, part one. Where is the cooking oil? What? Hey, I found it. All right, let's start. So we got my pot here. I'm about to put some oil. I already know what's going on. Hold on. This is my first time making spaghetti and ground beef. So the first episode of Cooking with Flames is gonna be me possibly burning down the entire house. Some of this, bink, up. We got all this meat right here. Hold on though. Ugh. I don't like how it feels in my hand though. What? All right. Oh, I tripped. All right. Okay, what I think I need now, what am I gonna use? I guess a spoon.
Bruh.
I think I should leave it for a little bit. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna leave this junk for a little bit, and we're gonna come back to it, and then we're gonna start breaking it up, turn it brown. Oh yeah, we got this in the bag, baby. I own this kitchen. Hold on. Hey. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm gonna put y'all up here. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. What is going on?
Incredible.
I'm gonna start putting seasoning. I'm gonna start putting some seasoning. Let me show y'all what I got. Hold on. Let me show y'all what I got. I can't find the seasoning. Where is the seasoning? Where? Like, where could it possibly be? Why can't I find anything today? This is what we got. Paprika, salt, pepper, this, and, more pepper. Where's, the Lawry's. Let's go.
Stupid.
Oh, it smells good. I just flipped it over and I had that aroma just hit me. Bro, stop it. Time, this one wasn't opening. So, let's see what's going on. Take a look, y'all. Okay, so now we're just focusing on, can I put you right here? I can put you right here, okay. Now we're just focusing on getting everything brown. We don't want any blood. So we also don't want what's already brown to to get black. You don't want it to get burnt. This ain't summertime right here, man. We gotta make sure that this is perfectly okay. It's starting to simmer down. We got some gravy going on here. Hold on. You see all that gravy moving around in there? Oh, my phone almost fell. I forgot to use black pepper. So thank you guys for reminding me. It was right behind you. I don't know why you're hiding it. Look at the black pepper. Oh. Hold on. So right now, I'm just pressing down. I'm cutting into everything, exposing all of the pink spots, exposing everything. You're not getting away from me, Pinky. All right. I'm gonna turn that heat down. And let's get on to part 2. Follow me. I said to follow me. Okay, I'm having fun right now. I don't know, you making YouTube videos are just fun to me. Like, I'm not getting paid or anything. I just feel like when I turn on the camera, it's just, you know what I mean? This just feels fun. Pull out this pot. Let's move you. Let's move you. I'm gonna turn off this one now. I think it's done. I think it smells amazing. All right. Oh wait, no. We're gonna wait until it's boiling first. So that's gonna be a while. We're gonna add salt to the water. We're gonna add some oil to the water so that the pasta doesn't stick. You know what I'm saying? Now we wait on that to boil. Can I get a commercial break? Maybe something. Can I get something? Thank you. Thank you. See you guys later. Hey guys, commercial break of this random black guy just dancing around in the kitchen. I don't know who this guy is, but we'll keep it rolling. Y'all make sure that y'all like and subscribe. If you're feeling down, remember, call Flash X Flamer 9900 something something and get you a video for free. Why did I forget? I gotta add the sauce to the meat, bro. Come on, homie. You're supposed to remind me about this stuff. Oh. It's already getting soft. I put it in there hard, but it's already getting soft on me. I don't know what's popping. It's nowhere close to be done, bro. It's nowhere close. Nah. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. That ain't done yet. Not even close. It's what, Lion? Something? I was playing the game because, you know, it was taking too long. And something told me that, hey, the pasta done low key. I don't know if it is though. So I turned off the pot so it doesn't overcook. Now let me put you down. Let me see what it's talking about here. Yep. It's perfect. Oh, my hand's covering up the camera. It's perfect just like that. So my dad said I should put more sauce in that. So that's what I'm gonna do. You already know I'm playing 2K. He look like me, don't he? Who is this brown shirt? Hold on, is he good? Hold on. Is he good? I'm playing 1v1 right now. Oh, he's trash. We got something, y'all. Oh, I heard the game start again. I don't know why I do this to myself. So I'm gonna add some more sauce and then we got a video. But first, we have to try it out. I'm not even hungry though. Hold on. All right, this is what I'm gonna do. Just to try out how it tastes, I'm gonna try one of these suckers. This is a piece of meat in my mouth. and have one of these suckers with it. 2 of these suckers. It's oh my god, it's busting. Y'all make sure that y'all tune in to the next time I cook, cause I'm chefing it up. Look at this, dog. A couple days later, and I'm about to actually eat the food, bro. I've tried it. It tastes good. Let me put it down. I forgot I have to end the video. I forgot that I have to end the video. Clearly, this is really good. Oh my god. Check it out. Oh my goodness. Let me put this junk in the light. This junk needs to be on a pedestal, how good this tastes. Stop playing with me right now. Stop playing with me right now. I'm really a chef. Anyways, I'm gonna end this video right here because I need to actually eat. Y'all saw me getting like in a trance over there. I was over there about to eat the whole plate on camera. I'm not doing that. Y'all not watching me eat the whole thing. I put a lot up in here. This is tasting great. Like and subscribe. Let's go.